coming from the struck by or the accident caused struck by a moving equipment. So that's why it is very important. The safety team, the Aramco, will not be tired on telling you every day regarding on reminding you on how it is very important that working here on a moving equipment has the potential risk for fatality based on the study. So now, what will be your function? What will be your responsibility? It is not only the responsibility of the equipment operator or the moving equipment. It is you also. You have the responsibility that I will check my surroundings and make sure that I will not come close to operating equipment. So all of us, regardless of helmet, you have your own responsibility to protect yourself. So this is it. And I will not walk or work with my mobile phones distracting my attention. So based on the study, using of mobile, even in the operator, and most of all, a worker who is using his mobile phone while on inside the perimeter of the man machine or the moving equipment, it can be danger on you. So now, all of us has the responsibility. Foreman, supervisor, you have also the responsibility to check your people if they are safe on the working zone. Because our activity is that's called interface. There is a work between human and there is a work between equipment. So all of you must evaluate. And the last thing that I will report any unsafe act. So who will report? Not only foreman, not only safety, not only supervisor, even you are a steel fixer, even you are a scaffolder, you will report, sir, the excavator is near on the people who is working. So all of us has the responsibility on this human-machine interface. Okay, by Sam? So I will translate.
गुड मॉर्निंग वंस अगेन एक बार आपको नमस्कार मॉर्निंग का। आज का जैसा अतोई ने बताया कि जो मीटिंग है वो स्पेशल नॉर्मल मीटिंग नहीं है, थोड़ा स्पेशल है। हम लोग आज बात कर रहे हैं मैन मशीन का इंटरफेस के बारे में। जो गाड़ी है, इक्विपमेंट और आदमी लोग आसपास में काम कर रहा है, उसका सेफ्टी के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं। तो बहुत सारा इंसिडेंट अरामको में हुआ। पहले भी हमने लास्ट मंथ भी एक डिस्कस किया था एक डंप ट्रक के साथ में।